Hello everyone, my name is Suraj. Welcome back to our channel Matric. So before starting today's lecture, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it. Press the bell icon for the further updates. So today we will see two tricks for the multiplication of numbers from 1 to 100. So for the trick, first of all, let's say we want to multiply 67 by 63. So for this trick, there will be two constants. First constant will be we will check the digit at the 10th place and make sure that it is same. So here digit at the 10th place is 6 and here also it is 6. So the digit at the 10th place is same. The next constant will be we will check the sum of the digits at the unit place. So here the digit at the unit place is 7 and here the digit at the unit place is 3. So sum is 10. So we can use this trick, that is the digit at the 10th place should be same and the sum of the digits at the units place should be 10. So directly what will we do? We will directly multiply the digits at the unit place. So 7 3 is a 21. Directly we will write like that. So what is the digit at the 10th place here? It is 6. So we will multiply 6 by the next number. So next number after 6 is 7. So 6 sevens are 42. Directly we can write this. So what is the answer of this multiplication is 4221 directly. So I am explaining it, so it will take time. If we directly do this trick, we can do this multiplication within, let's say, 5 seconds. So let's take another example. Let's say we want to multiply number 77 by 73. So we will check whether it satisfies our trick or not first. So the number as the digit at the 10th place is same and the sum of the digits at the unit place is 10. So our trick can be used. So 7 3 is again 21. And what is the number after 7? It will be 8. After 7 it will be 8, right? So 7 8 is 56. That's it. This will be your answer. That's it. So there is one catch also here. I'll tell you that also. Let's say we want to multiply 31 by 39. So again we'll check whether our trick satisfies or not. So it satisfies here. Okay. So what we will do? 9 ones are 9, but we will not write it as 9. We will write it as 09. Okay. That was the catch only. So again after 3, what is the digit? 3 4 is 12. Right. That's it. This will be your multiplication. That is the first trick. So I hope you got this. For the next trick, we'll see that let's say we want to multiply 999 by 621. How much time will it take? At least 10 to 15 seconds. So for this trick, we will check whether all the digits in the first number are 9. Yes, all the digits in the first number are 9 and it is 3-digit number. And the next constraint will be we will check whether the second number is also 3-digit number or whatever digit number is the first digit number. So it is also 3-digit number. It is also 3-digit number. And all the digits in the first number are 9. So our conditions satisfy. So what will we do? We'll subtract 1 from this number. So directly we can write 620. And in the next step, we will subtract this 6 from 9. 9 minus 6, 3. Then this 2 from 9. 9 minus 2, 7. And this 0 from 9. So 9 minus 0, 9. This will be your answer. That's it, guys. So let's say we will take another example. Let's say 9,999 multiplied by 8,327. So what is the first step here? All the digits are 9 in the first number. It is 4-digit number. Whether second number is 4-digit number? Yes, it is also 4-digit number. So our trick satisfies. What is the first step? We will subtract one number from this. Sorry, 1 from this. So 8,326. Again, what is the next step? We'll subtract this 8 from 9. So 1, then 3 from 9, 6, then 7, sorry, 2 from 9, 7, and this 6 from 9, 3. This will be your answer. So how much second will I take if I multiply 6-digit number? You yourself check now. So let's say I want to multiply 9,99,999 into let's say 1,23,586. So I'll write it as 158 5, then 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 5 9 minus 5 4. That is the answer. How much second did I take? 3 seconds maximum, right? So this multiplication can be done like this very fastly. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. So if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it. Press bell icon for the further updates. Keep preparing. All the best. Thank you.